Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube thumbnail in two effective ways. Before going to the video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, like it, share, comment, uh, and first of all, that I'm going to tell that all the links mentioned in this video will be in description box. Let's start this. um, let's start it. Let's start. First, open your web browser and paste the link. It will bring you to this interface. If it shows to sign up, you should sign up with your Google account. Needs to sign in for creating. And if it asks for the field, I have chosen the field personally. If you want any other fields, you can choose them. Now create a design and type here that YouTube thumbnail. It can also be used for making your YouTube thumbnail. It can also be used for making a logo. I'm going to create an untitled design. This is a new one. Here are the templates. If you want, you can upload your image. I have uploaded an image previously that I have made. Take the image that you want. I want a YouTube logo. You can search your images from here. After searching the image, you can save it. Save it here. Now I'll upload an image from device to the desktop and upload this file. As you can see that if I place it's white background, it will not fit my background if I am choosing the red background. So I'm going to change its background. You just have to type here BGO. Then go to the link will be in the description. Now upload the image here. Open. Remove background will be removed. Now, okay, I'm going to download it. Now it's downloaded. It's going to download. It's the original and the removed one. Okay, now it's downloaded. Let's see where it is down. Now upload it. It's asking for download. I'm using download manager, so it came like that. Upload it. I'm uploading from now C drive or item. Background is removed. Now it's ready. Always try the to make the background as okay. Now if you want to add text, you add text. Here are different font styles. If you want any name, you can choose anyone. You can use anyone. And now I'm going to use this one. This one I'm using. Okay, so this. You just have to backspace it. Type it here. Anything that you want. Now I'm going to type it. because that I have not. Now which you want to what is the title you wanted to type it here. Title like it. Now keep it here. Yep. And I'm going to give it an emoji for to attract more views. So emoji. I'm going to try this. All the emojis have watermark in this. You can adjust all this. After adjusting, after all everything is done, if you after everything, it contains watermark. If you want to remove watermark, you should give money. I'm not going to do it now. Download. I'm going to download it. So that to show you, I'm not going to download. Has been disadjusted. No. If you want a small file, required pay and download. It should be pay and download it. That free trial. You can start a free trial. For simply download it. It's a pro element, so it will takes money. If after you can pay and download free, you watermark. Preparing your design will come like it. It will say how where to search. I'm going to save it. This was the first one, and I am going to show you how well it is, and I am going to show it here. It's like this. This is our thumbnail. It's ready. It has watermarks, but it's pretty good. Next one will be the non-watermark. Let's move to the next one. The second one and my favorite one is Photopea. It's like an online photo editor, like Photoshop. You can use replace this one by any photo editors. Let's go to the first. You have to type it Photopea. Photopea. It's an online free editor like Photoshop. It's almost similar. This one does not contain any watermark. It's also free, and it's ready. That everything is ready. Open and paste now on the desktop, and here nothing is available. You should make everything available. If you want any image, you can search here. Now next, open and paste. Next one is this emoji. I have downloaded. This one YouTube that I am going to place this one now. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to turn it. Now you can use text for highlighting. You can place before that I'm going to place my emoji. I have done in my downloads before. Okay, I have removed the background of the image. Now here is our text. Now let's search here anything if you want. You will get more themes here. If you, I'm going to use this one for. I think it's loaded. It's loaded now. Type what's your content. If you want, you can type that which content you want. I'm going to increase the size. And after that, I'm going to change the color. Okay, so I think it should be more. YouTube channel. Okay, so what is that? YouTube channel. How to make YouTube channel? It's really that. It's ready. Okay. Now you can export it. Export as JPG. Save it. Now it's ready. It's saved. It's ready and see downloads drive. Here is our second thumbnail. If you look and compare the both, if you I'm going to compare it here. Here only open my face. If you can see that both are similar, and one is more attractive because it has more font styles and more colors, and it's a photo editor, no problem. No watermark. You can use this for releasing the effective thumbnail. If you want to attract your viewers, you should have an attractive thumbnail for your own video. So if you like the video, subscribe and like the video, share it, comment and like, subscribe my channel please.